Don't mix up the accelerator and brake. Be careful, the car will lift again, and it's broken and old, it's 80. You have to I know the master. Are you watching? Hello everyone. Welcome to Watch Ari Kai Da Xian. As the saying goes, one misstep can lead to eternal regret. Never mix up the accelerator and brake. Oh no. This is slow. Oh, what's going on? What happened? Oh, Mom, I'm scared. Oh, it's okay. Baby, this uncle stepped on the accelerator instead of the brake, right? Ouch. Call brothers this beef jerky. Let him come and find out. It's all money. He is having a good time. It's over. Get out first. It's over. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on, get out quickly. Why are you rolling down the window? You go down first. You're just a bowl of rice. People go down changing first. People, right? And still jumping down like that? Will two people be able to? Will they swim? Will swim. Will, won't swim. This light, ouch. Mistaking the brake for the accelerator. That's really scary. I must be careful. Hey, miss, give me a glass of fresh orange juice. No ice, okay? Oh no, it's accelerating. I hope my friends will share this video. It's bad. To remind good friends at work. Don't mistake the accelerator for the brake. It's the most fun. Be careful. Go back. Press and brake again. The Yangtze River flows eastward. And the waves wash away. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, brake. Oh, I'm scared to death. Don't you know how to step on the brakes? Welcome to You're in big trouble now. Sprinkle Hello water. Everyone, sprinkle water. What are you doing? Oh no, what happened? This is bad. Hurry up and save people. Oh. I'm awesome. Awesome. Rising killing intent. Oh. Why didn't you step on the brakes? Okay, that's it. It shouldn't be enough, right? The car is done for. Oh, step on the brakes and get it up. Foot. Start at 5 o'clock. Step on the brakes. I'm driving so fast. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Pay attention. Slow down, slow down. Hey. Down there. Hey. Oh. It seems that stepping on the gas instead of the brake is really terrifying. I can't let people see my school bell. Oh, it's step on the brakes quickly after letting go. What's going on? It's over. I clearly wanted to step on the accelerator. It's still not too late to step on the brakes now. I stepped on the brake. I hope my friends will share this video. Relatives, do a good job. Friends, never guess between the accelerator and brake. Otherwise, it's easy to cause a major accident that can't be undone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Follow Driving Master. One episode a day, take you to see all kinds of driving experts desperately wanting to live up to others' expectations. And the bizarre things that just happen, even if love hasn't arrived, to give you driving experience, even if the wind and rain beat and make down. Driving safer. We must still smile and say, turn to me and share after watching. I hit turn so that more people can learn from the lesson and experience. Turn. Let's follow Driving Master together. Brake. We're starting the video now. Brake. Step on the struggle from 1 point. Hello everyone. Welcome to Car God. Last year, at the old wine shop, the road was wrong for people. Peach Blossom First Bridge. When we are driving, you must distinguish between the accelerator and the brake. And always remember that. Big Brother Green, a nickname, possibly referring to a person. Don't get to the point where you're about to hit something. Is that so? You are. Oh, that's not fun. I feel your material. Ah, oh dear. Who just said hit it? I feel like I'm about to fly away. You're fixated on it. That's the feeling. We saw the driver just now step on the accelerator instead of the brake. This is screwed. Ha ha. Completely panicked. This needle has pricked the electric scooter lady below. Took the accelerator for the brake. Turn and then crash. Turn. Shattered the glass door. Hey. Oh no. Brakes. Hey. Brakes. Run. Brakes. Oh my God. Get out of the way. Step in the middle. Oh, hey. Another change. Step where? In the middle of what? That really hurts. I'm in the middle of the road right now. What a situation. The key is I can't even get the accelerator and brake mixed up. Hey, I said, buddy, don't run. Everyone is watching the two of us. Oh God. Stop quickly. Don't mix up the accelerator and the brake. Don't just stand there and watch. It's okay to make a mistake. Quickly tell me what to do in this situation. Hey, why is that? Thanks to the big brother on the list for youngsters, the rocket. Don't be careless when driving. Just ask my buddy not to make any more trouble. Especially be sure to distinguish between the accelerator and the brake. Wow. Oh no. It broke again. It's broken. A wrong move can lead to irreversible disaster. I hope my friends will share this video to remind all my good friends. Hello everyone. Never mistake the accelerator and the brake. Welcome to Car Master. One episode a day, showing you all kinds of driving experts on the road, as well as the bizarre and fresh events that have just happened. Let you gain driving experience. Drive more safely. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to share it. Let more people learn lessons and gain experience. Love. Follow Car Master every day. Hee. Watch out, there's a motorcycle coming. Oh, I need to brake immediately. This situation is not right. This guy, ouch. You fell down. Are you okay? It's pretty cool though. Driving at night again. The headlights are on in front. We've talked about it a lot. I hate it. You can't see it at all. The headlights are on in front. It'd be a problem if he doesn't turn them off. Look here again. You must slow down. Our driver is about to overtake this tanker on the right. Otherwise, but pay attention, it's dangerous overtaking. Like in this situation, there's an electric scooter coming out in front. Didn't see it. Oh, it's okay. No big deal. You have to pay attention next time. Look here again. There's also an electric bike up ahead. We should stop first. Are you trying to go to heaven or hell? Don't I was already a little afraid of your Tesla. Didn't hit him either. You're treating this like your own living room, buddy. You really do whatever you want when you drive, huh? You could have just robbed me directly on and we start to move. You even set up a crime scene. Motorcycle is also coming by. Pay attention to the car in front. It's directly the green light. He didn't slow down. He just rushed right through. I didn't expect this. Oh. There's another car. He didn't come through. Hey, that's not right. The green light has been on for so long. Look at the car on the right. This guy ran the red light. Look here. Don't worry about whether I can brake to the front right, okay? A small car turning left. Just bear with it. A bicycle turning left. You're asking for it. Hey, that's not right. Who are you blaming? Look, we clearly have a green light. Look at this car left in front and straight are both green lights. I didn't expect to be so unlucky today. Small car. You're running a red light passing this intersection. The small car driver is still not convinced. He turned right. Can he blame others for this? At such a speed, he ran a red light himself. He just crashed right into the back of someone's car. What kind of liquor did you drink? It's so potent. Going straight normally. We're keeping to the right. Now, at this moment, a car on the left sped over to overtake. He almost scraped the front of our video car. Look, this overtaking is very dangerous. Our soldier car can't stand it. Just step on the gas and push him up. Look, oh. This is still a bit too impulsive. In front, turning left, the time is running out. Our video car is about to accelerate. You must pay attention at this time. You can't do this. You can't do this. Look at this intersection. Both left turns and going straight have green lights and can proceed. Maybe because there's not much time left. Everyone is preparing to accelerate through. As a result, they crashed into the car in front that had its turn signal on. Then at this moment, our video vehicle was thinking in their mind, should I pass him or not? Afraid that he would change lanes. After considering for a long time, in the end, he's still preparing to overtake. Overtaking like this, with hesitation, is very dangerous. You're not sure whether to overtake, and they're waiting for ages. And just as you start to overtake, they just happen to change lanes. Either you reduce speed and brake, and wait for them to change lanes. Then overtake, the road ahead narrows. Change lanes to the left. Merge onto the main road. Look at this car. Then look at the red car carrying ahead. A load of cargo. It's over. He's still trying to overtake here. And, as a result, he rear-ended someone. You're really that short on time? Wouldn't it be better to just go one at a time? Now, the straight lane has a green light. 2 electric bikes are running the red light here. Look at the taxi coming from the opposite direction. It immediately slammed on the brakes to avoid them and changed lanes. On our lane here, if he hadn't braked, he probably would have hit those 2 electric bikes. And probably would have hit us too. That electric bike in front of me. You're still just watching the fun. Are you really watching that pedestrian crossing the street up ahead? What exactly are you trying to do? Are you going to go, or not? You're jumping up and down here. It's like they're just playing around. You're really treating this place like it's your own home. They honked the horn. And you're covering your ears? Were you scared? They're warning you. Hurry up and go. This bus on the left. Look, a passenger just got off suddenly. Oh my God. How can a bus let passengers off here? If a car were to speed past right next to it, the consequences would be unimaginable. On the expressway, look at that car ahead. It's going the wrong way, and in the middle lane, no less. Oh my God. You really are too bold. Even if you've gone the wrong way, you shouldn't be going the wrong way in the middle lane. Shouldn't you pull over to the emergency lane on the far right? At the intersection ahead, there's a temporary traffic light. Everyone needs to pay attention now. Look, this car just ran the red light. These temporary traffic lights are relatively small, placed in the middle of the intersection. Some people might be used to the larger ones. They don't even notice this type of traffic light. Everyone, please be careful. If there's a large truck behind you, and the traffic light ahead suddenly flashes, don't be thinking in your head whether to go or not. Don't suddenly slam on the brakes in the middle. Look at this large truck making an emergency avoidance. It's very dangerous.